Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 2. The Crescent. It was Sunday, the night of Monday of the lunar year, the 27th of Zilhijjah, on this side of Shahidpur by the river Kaveri, about the time of the false dawn, that I had a dream. It appeared to me as if, along with other people, I was standing on a high spot looking for the new moon of the month of Ramadan. None could see the moon. I, however, saw a very slender and beautiful crescent surrounded by several stars of the Pleiades. I seemed to be pointing the new moon to all others present and telling them that if God willed, Eid would be celebrated the following day. That is all. Seringapatam, the capital of Tipu Sultan, is situated on the Kaveri. In history and literature, the river has come to be closely interlinked with the memory of Tipu Sultan. End of Dream 2.